Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, so we got this machine. I'm just calibrating it up for the workshop. Now, the tablet that it came with was an absolute piece of garbage. So I bought another one from Temu, and this is a ATM PC, absolute rubbish piece of junk. AI camera, but it's good enough for what I need it for. So for $70–80, it does exactly what I need it to. So the only difference with this particular tablet to the one that you get with the actual Futura or Ilco Futura or Smart Futura Pro is that this one doesn't have the app in it. Now, if you get the machine new, you'll probably get a USB drive like this. This actually has the app in it. If not, you can actually get it from the machine as well. You got to go to, I believe it is the IP address in Chrome, and then you can log into it. So I'll just show you that if I can. 192, where's my point? 168.0.1. 1. Enter. Okay, there we have it. So I've opened up the app in Chrome browser, and from there you can kind of download the app and get the machine working as well. So that's how you get the app working through Chrome. Now, good thing about Chrome is that you can scroll up and scroll down. Just move that off the button there. If you've got to do these ones and move it around like this, you just need to change the settings to minimal. You probably could go a lot larger on the tablet as well. I've got the exact same size. I think it's 10 inch, but looking at it now, I probably would have got one 14 inches. Something as big as this is probably what I should have done. Anyway, so that's how you get the app working on a non-Silca tablet. Because I've had people ask, oh, where do you get the button from? Where do you do this? What do you do? You just got to buy a new tablet. The tablet's disposable. The software goes with the machine, and the software is actually, the app is stored in the machine. Once you install the app and all the rest, you can do your updates, and from there you get your latest app. So I'll just have a look over here, see how we're going. Okay, so we can't do that swipey action there. We'll get rid of this. So we'll flick that off and we'll come back to the Silca app, and it will reload and restart. Okay, so that's how you reinstall a new tablet. Thanks for watching.